Present Perfect Part 2. Use present perfect simple to focus on actions with time periods that continue from the past up until now. For example, have you traveled a lot? Yes, I have been to many places. What's the form? I, you, we, they plus have plus third form of the verbs. And she, he, it plus has plus third form of the verbs. We can use some time expressions with present perfect simple, such as recently, in the last few days, years, months, and since plus simple past. For example, have you heard anything from Ben recently? Or I have met a lot of people since I arrived here. With present perfect simple, you can also use today, this week, this month, when you want to focus on time periods that are not finished at the time of speaking. For example, I've drunk 4 cups of coffee today. You can use present perfect simple when you want to say how many times you have done something. For example, it's the first time that I have driven a car. For more exercises, click on the link below.